Alright, Eastern Bloc Airguns is back with hunting footage with the Huben K1 with the new humor regulator in it. I ran into an issue with this K1 regulator. I think it was partly my fault because I was really rough on it. I had a low pressure to high pressure when I tested slugs, back to low pressure with pellets, and I messed with the regulator, turned it from 100 to 180 bar probably 6 or 7 times. And it was pretty rough. So if you're going to have this gun, be really gentle on the original regulator. I really believe the regulator would last a lot longer if I didn't abuse it so much. But anyway, so I got my Huma in and I got it right at about 100 bar, and I'm getting over 100, about 110 shots on a 4500 fill. Amazing shot count for this smallest cylinder. Very happy with it. This is the first time where I have a gun where I can just fill it up, grab a tin of pellets, and go off and hunt and not have to worry about shot count. Even with the Lelia, I get 60 shots. This is double. I could probably even get more if I shot up the reg a little bit. So I'm very happy with this gun so far, and the footage, it's spot on. You'll love the footage. Anyway, so this is my first semi-auto gun that actually worked. And then I believe the hammerless system is really the future in semi-autos. I had one other gun that had a blowback system and it clogged. It just did not work. The gun would shoot blanks all the time. This gun, I probably have, I don't know, maybe 2,000 or 3,000 shots already in about a span of a month and a half in through it. And it's shooting perfect, just as good as any other gun. But now that I like this hammerless system, I do want to compare it to other semi-autos that have the hammerless system, like this gun. Just so you guys know, there is a contest out there where you can win a brand new Leshy. I would love to compare that Leshy, and then that Leshy I can even put a 350cc bottle with its tube to get like 450 cc's. If that has a shot count of this, I'm looking at like 200 or 300 shots. Oh, I want a high shot count gun. I think I'm going to sell my Springer now because I just don't need it. If you got a super high shot count gun like this, just fill it up and go. You don't have to lug your tank around. Just a tin of pellets. That's it. It's a relief. So just so you guys know, if you want this, enter a contest where you can get a free Leshy. You do your own research. I don't advertise on this channel. I will try to keep it as a hobby only. I'm gonna keep it as a hobby. I'm not gonna get involved in politics. I'm just gonna do what I want to do. So I'm not advertising. I'm just letting my viewers know there's something out there where you can win a Leshy. I'll leave it at that. Hope you enjoy the video.